Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Pennies and Passports. Today, we're on a wild adventure to hunt down the most ridiculously cheap tickets known to mankind. So, fasten your seatbelt, grab your pennies, and prepare your passports to uncover the hidden gems of affordable travel. Tip number 1. Be flexible with your travel dates. Our first tip is to be flexible with your travel dates. When it comes to finding the best deals on flights, hotels, and other travel essentials, flexibility is key. Airlines often have fluctuating prices depending on the day of the week, time of the year, and upcoming holidays. By being open to traveling on different dates, you can find the best deals and save big on your tickets. Tip number 2. Use incognito mode when searching. When searching for flights, always use incognito mode on your browser. Incognito mode, also known as private browsing, is a feature available in most web browsers that allows you to surf the internet without saving any browsing history, cookies, or cache data. When you search for flights or hotels, travel websites often use cookies to track your search history and preferences. They can then use this information to show you higher prices based on your previous searches or perceived interest in a particular destination. By using incognito mode, you can prevent these websites from tracking your activity and potentially save money on your bookings. Tip number 3. Book cheap tickets using budget airlines. Budget airlines have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. They offer significantly lower fares compared to traditional airlines, which means more money in your pocket for your adventures. But how do they manage to offer such low prices? Budget airlines cut costs in several ways, such as flying to smaller airports, charging for extras like checked baggage and seat selection, using a single type of aircraft to reduce maintenance costs, offering no-frill service on board. By cutting these corners, budget airlines can pass the savings on to you, the traveler. But before you book your budget airline ticket, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Make sure to check the airline's baggage policy, as fees can add up quickly. Don't expect free meal or entertainment on budget airlines. You may have to pay extra to make a seat selection. Budget airlines often have strict policies and high fees for changes or cancellations. Here is a list of budget airlines. Take a screenshot and keep it to book your next cheap flight. Tip number 4. Compare multiple booking websites. Don't just rely on one booking website. Compare prices across multiple platforms like Expedia, Kayak, Skyscanner, and Google Flights to find the best deals. Sometimes, you can even find exclusive discounts on certain websites. Different websites have different deals and partnerships with airlines, which means the prices can vary significantly. By comparing multiple websites, you can ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Tip number 5. Book in advance. Booking your tickets in advance can save you a lot of money. Prices tend to increase as the departure date approaches, so try to book at least 2 to 3 months ahead for the best deals. According to cheapair.com, the best day to book domestic flights in the US is 70 days before departure on average, and midweek flights on Tuesday and Wednesday almost always offer the best value. Keep in mind that these prices can still vary depending on factors like the time of year, destination, and airlines. Tip number 6. Use VPNs to score cheap airline tickets. VPN is a service that allows you to connect to the internet through an encrypted tunnel to a server in another location. This not only keeps your online activities private, but also allows you to appear as you're browsing from a different country. Airlines and booking websites often display different prices for the same flights based on the user's location. By using a VPN, you can change your virtual location and potentially unlock lower prices. When you install VPN on your device, choose a low-income city and look for tickets. You will find that there is a difference in prices. Tip number 7. Set up price alerts. Set up price alerts on your favorite booking website or apps. This way, you'll be notified when prices drop for your desired destination, and you can quickly snag those cheap tickets before they're gone. Tip number 8. Use airline reward programs. Sign up for airline reward programs and earn points or miles every time you fly. These points can be redeemed for discounted or even free flights in the future. Tip number 9. Considering nearby airports. Most people tend to search for flights to and from their nearest major airport. But did you know that considering nearby airports can actually save you a significant amount of money? That's right. Sometimes, smaller airports offer cheap flights, and the savings can be well worth the extra travel time. But how to find those airports? Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights allow you to search for flights using the Nearby Airports option. This will show you all the airports within a certain radius of your desired destination, along with the prices for flights to each one. While the savings can be significant, you'll also need to factor in the additional travel time and transportation costs to and from the alternative airport. Make sure to compare the total cost and time commitment before making your decision. Tip number 10. Travel during off-peak seasons. Traveling during off-peak seasons can save you a significant amount on your tickets. Airlines often lower their prices during these times to fill up empty seats. Plus, you'll enjoy fewer crowds and more affordable accommodations at your destination. Tip number 11. Follow airlines and travel agencies on social media. They often post exclusive deals, flash sales, and promo codes that can help you score cheap tickets. Tip number 12. Including stopovers. A stopover is a layover that lasts longer than 24 hours, allowing you to explore a new city or country before continuing on to your final destination. Not only can stopovers save you money, but they also can turn your trip into a multi-destination adventure. And why not? But how to find them? Use flight search engines. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights allow you to filter your search results by stopover duration. Simply enter your departure and arrival cities and adjust the layover duration to find the best deals. You can also research airline stopover programs. Some airlines offer free or discounted stopovers as part of their ticket pricing. For example, Iceland Air and Emirates have popular stopover programs that allow you to explore Reykjavik or Dubai without any additional cost. The more flexible you are with your travel dates, the better your chances of finding a great stopover deal. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons or weekdays to increase your chances of scoring a cheap ticket. Tip number 13. Use a good travel agent. You might be wondering, why use a travel agent when there are so many online booking platforms? Well, travel agents have insider knowledge and access to exclusive deals that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, they can save you time and effort by doing all the research and planning for you. It's important to deal with a reputable travel agent. Ask for your family and friends' recommendations and search online for rating and reviews before choosing one. Booking your flights, accommodations, and activities together through your travel agent can often result in package discounts. There are other benefits for using a travel agent. Expertise. Travel agents have extensive knowledge of the industry and can find the best deals for you. Time savings. Travel agents do all the research and planning for you, saving your valuable time that you can spend on other aspects of your trip. Personalized service. A good travel agent will tailor your travel plans to your specific needs and preferences, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Problem solving. If any issues arise during your trip, your travel agent will be there to help you resolve them quickly and efficiently. Peace of mind. Knowing that a professional is handling your travel arrangements can give you peace of mind and allow you to focus on enjoying your trip. Tip number 14. Save on flight tickets using gift cards. Gift cards can be bought at a discount, which means you'll save money on your flight. You can use them to budget for your trips and avoid overspending. Besides, they make great gifts for friends and family who love to travel. There are several websites like Raise, Card Cash, and Gift Card Granny and other applications where you can buy gift cards for popular airlines at a lower price than their face value. Make sure to compare prices across different platforms to find the best deal. And remember, always buy from trustworthy sources to avoid scams. It is important to check your gift card's expiration date and be sure to use them while they're valid. Some gift cards may have restrictions on how they can be used, such as blackout dates or specific fare classes. Read the terms and conditions carefully before purchasing. To maximize your savings, try combining your gift card with other discounts, such as promo codes, airline loyalty programs. And there you have it, our top tips for scoring cheap tickets and traveling more while spending less. We hope these tips help you save money on your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Leave a comment below with your favorite money-saving travel tip. And be sure to subscribe for more travel hacks and advice. Until next time, happy travels!